Guys, if you're having issues with your door, like if it's sagging, like it doesn't close correctly, like right now it's working great because I removed and replaced the hinge. Okay, but I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Like this car right here, as you can see, I open it and see it does not close. Like it's lower than it should be, and it feels like it's touching the lock itself. For it to lock, you have to like hit the door. So what happens is the hinges actually wear out. Could be the bottom one. Like for this one, it's the bottom one worn out right there. So, but on my car, I mean, this one looks okay on here, but on my car it was the top one. So right here, if you look close, just look how bad this is. You see, there's a big play. You see, that's why it's sagging, and you need to replace them. So I got some used ones, but they're still good. And what I noticed is, I think they're the same. You can just install them like it says, like R right here. This means it's the right side, not this side, but the right side. Okay. So, and this is the left side. It says L right here. So that's what I did. I installed the left side because if you put the right one and the left one, see, they look different. The connection is different. So, but two right ones, it does. I don't think it matters which way you put them; they will still work. So, and in order to do that, you need to remove the fender. It's got like one bolt right here, one right here, one from over there from the inside, and one from over here. Okay, and one on the bottom, and one over here. So then you can just remove it and install the new one when the door is closed. Okay, install it from here first. From here, put the bolts in right here, make them tight, and then tight these. Okay, because otherwise it will not be sitting right. Okay, so if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.